Hello future sharks, welcome to our information series on master's degree programs at Nova Southeastern University's College of Computing, AI, and Cybersecurity, where we explore how each of our programs can elevate your career and expertise. Let's explore the depths of our Master's in Computer Science, a program built to strengthen your foundation in computing while giving you the flexibility to specialize in cutting-edge areas from AI to software engineering so you can lead, innovate, and make an impact across industries worldwide. Build the future of tech one line of code at a time. Computer science powers the innovation behind today's most advanced technologies. This program equips you with the core knowledge and practical skills to lead in software development, systems design, and beyond. Career growth across every industry. With global demand for tech talent continuing to rise, a master's in computer science prepares you for in-demand roles in virtually every sector, from healthcare and finance to aerospace and entertainment. Customize your path with concentrations. Tailor your degree to your goals with concentrations in artificial intelligence, cyber defense, data science, software engineering, or customizing your degree. Master the tools to lead and innovate. You'll gain deep experience in software systems, development tools, and modern computing platforms while learning to solve real-world problems with professional precision. Graduate ready to lead and adapt. This program builds your ability to communicate technical ideas effectively, evaluate academic research, and design efficient, scalable solutions across a wide range of challenges. So why choose a tech career? I'd like to share some information which will demonstrate the strength of the computing industry. A career in computer science opens the door to high-paying, in-demand jobs. With an average salary of over 6 figures and over 150,000 job postings, the opportunities in this field continue to grow. Graduates can pursue roles such as architectural and engineering managers, database architects, software developers, and software quality assurance analysts and testers. Positions that offer 6-figure salaries and strong career stability. This program equips you with the skills needed to excel in these roles and make a real impact in the world of computer science. Now that you've heard about our MS in Computer Science program, are you ready to apply? If you're not sure yet, click on the recommended video for more information about our admissions process. And also be sure to check us out on social media at NSU Computing.